I'm afraid for the next 2 or 3 days. That means more rain possibly for the Gulf and also some wet weather for the Grand Prix at Silverstone. But let's start with our regular look at Europe, and you can see from the satellite sequence there's some rather ominous blobs of dark cloud across the more eastern parts of Europe. These are thunderstorms. They've been rattling away over the last few hours, and there's a risk of some more of those to come, I think, over the next couple of days. An area of low pressure, not just here, but also extending into some of the southern parts of Scandinavia, and including ourselves. We're looking at more of those showery outbreaks of rain to come. Perhaps the best of the sunshine and certainly the best temperatures likely in some of the more southern parts of Europe, southern Spain and Portugal, and through the Mediterranean. So let's have a look at the city forecast into the weekend. Showers for Stockholm, Berlin and also London, but perhaps some brighter weather further south. And certainly for Madrid and also Athens, it looks like it's going to stay warm and dry if you're heading there for a holiday. For ourselves, well, it's not particularly good holiday weather, I'm afraid. We've got a lot of showery rain around. Swirl of cloud on the satellite picture there is generating some outbreaks of rain, and this stubborn line of rain here unfortunately is very close to the Gulf at Loch Lomond, so there's more showers to come. Showers elsewhere as well, and some of those showers have turned out to be pretty heavy. So if you are travelling through Scotland, Northern England and parts of Wales for the next few hours, there could be some hefty downpours of rain, some difficult driving conditions, and of course spray and standing water causing problems. Now, the winds have eased, thankfully, nowhere near as strong as they were yesterday, but perhaps changing direction somewhat and coming down from the northwest, which means a much cooler feel to the air by the end of today and through tomorrow as well, with temperatures struggling to get much above 17 or 18 degrees. But for the rest of the afternoon then, we're a rather cloudy scene for many parts of Scotland and into Northern Ireland. Showers coming and going for England and Wales, some of those showers heavy, and a top temperature around 20 degrees, but much cooler than that in those showers and that longer spell of rain. Onto the forecast for Loch Lomond then. It looks like for the rest of today at least it'll be showery rain with the best temperature around 15, quite a brisk northwesterly wind. Hopefully tomorrow and into the weekend it should improve somewhat as dry weather moves through. Well, that's the situation. Lots of isobars and an area of low pressure. One system moves out of the way and another one threatens for a time and may bring spells of wet weather through the first half of the weekend. By the second half of the weekend, though, this ridge of high pressure coming in from the west, so hopefully beginning to dry things out and bring us a little bit of sunshine. So a Sunday then, changeable, risk of showers into the weekend, sunnier perhaps on Sunday in those western areas, but more rain to come next week as it stays rather unsettled. Overnight tonight, a rather chilly night, lowest temperature 7 to 9 degrees, and the detailed forecast for tomorrow brings a scattering of showers just about everywhere and a cool feeling, I think, generally across the whole of the United Kingdom. 15 to 20 degrees our best temperature. Saturday, still low showers, a little bit of improvement by Sunday as that ridge of high pressure moves in from the west.